Hello, and welcome to Glue. Our Glue web team got together in a project war room to discuss Glue organization level project. Let's see how is it going. Hi team. I can see you have already started with some ideas here. David, can you fill me in?
Hi, Jack. So far, we identified the questions we'd like to address today. And now Chris and Jana are putting together some potential ideas, while Daniel has added the feedback from the users.
Okay.
Daniel, can you summarize the user feedback?
Sure. The feedback was mostly positive, but there were some requests for improvements in permission management system. And I feel that we should work on how to address these.
Sure.
Let's look at the ideas we have so far. Chris, what do you have?
One solution could be that we reintroduce the role of tier admin.
Right.
Jana?
The other way to address this could be to expand the organization admin permission management functionality, not only by adding one new role, but to create a flexible system that could serve the needs of different organizations.
Yes, that's great. Both of these ideas have some potential, so let's work them further. And that's Glue in action with a project war room.